YouTube, Logan here, and in today's wonderful video, I will be experimenting with DIY wheel weights, which are for actual cars. So, I will be putting some weights on here and seeing if the performance varies that much. So, please watch until the very end because it helps my watch hours, and please subscribe if you feel like you want to help a very tiny channel out. And, well, on to the video. It's at 45 now. And this is as low as I can go because I don't have any more space to move it any further down. So if I can't do this, then I don't know. Remember, this does have my magnets on the front for the body mounting system, and it also does have a 5-gram weight up on the front. So come on, buddy. Oh, come on. Get a grip, man. You're like so close. Motor's probably at like 500 degrees Celsius right now. It's probably melting. Come on. Like, you can do better than this. That really inspired it to do something, didn't it? This is where it always likes to fail. Come on. No. No. Hold your ground, buddy. Hold your ground. No, comrade. Come on. Antenna's not having a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. There we go. Let's see how it does now. What we have learned today here, folks, is that you need an insanely substantial amount of weights to actually do something. Come on. Like, you can do better than this. That really inspired it to do something, didn't it? This is where it always likes to fail. Come on. No. Alrighty, folks. So, what have we learned here today? 1, Chevy. 2, cute antenna. 3, DIY wheel weights are not the best thing in the world. Now, they do work. But the thing is, I wasn't actually using them on the wheels. That's the only problem I have with it, is it wasn't the wheel weights, it was like chassis weights that you would shove in the center of it and hope it stayed. That's probably not the most performance you could possibly get out of your truck, but I would say it wasn't very successful. Now, there was a definite difference between wheel weights. Well, it didn't want to lift up as much, but on the contrary, it didn't want to go up as much either.